Hello friends, you most welcome back into Uglearn with me, your tutor. Okay, fine. Now on Uglearn today, I'm going to walk you through here down. When you scroll down, just make sure it's just www.uglearn.com. Okay, that's the domain, please. And I want to walk you through today on things to do with quizzes. So when I go to quiz, you'll find different quizzes for us there. Actually, we have different levels. We have primaries, we have also some in secondary, and yes, there are quiz there. So this is senior one physics, this is chemistry as well. These are different quizzes, and some of the attempts people have already attempted them. So let me log in now to my account as a student, I think. So as you see, I'm already in my dashboard. Please don't be surprised that some quizzes I failed them because I was doing them on purpose as I was making a video. That's why some of them we failed very well, no? And some of them we might have passed. Now, okay, let's go back here and I show you something. Okay, so this is what you have to do when you go back to quizzes here. Let me say I'm going to just do some. They are trying to tell the best so far is 42. Yes, so far the best is that person who got 42 in that quiz. This here, let me see, which one should you do? I don't know which one should you do. Well, let me just pick one quiz here, the one which might be very simple. But at this time, I don't fail so much. Let me do chemistry. I used to love chemistry so much. This chemistry, this is senior one chemistry. But this still applies to complete O level. Remember the same chemistry you have in senior 4. At the very chemistry they ask you even in senior 1 up to senior 4. Remember, the paper comes in. And the objectives also there, please don't forget. So this so far Michelle is the one among the best, and the Edith, I think those so far the best. Let me just also try to do this one here. So there are 10 questions, and I have over 30 minutes to do it. So far I have 29 minutes to go. Now you can just go and try to do them, you know. Okay, I'm not going to do it as a real right student. I'm just going to do it, no, just to try give it a do. So which of the following is a physical change? So you do them, like you finish up the questions and things of that sort. Which of the following is a physical change? I don't remember even which one is a physical change here. I'm seeing a burning paper. Is it a physical change? Is it a physical change? I see. Melting. It can go back to water. Please, my mind's not very stable at the moment. Sorry, I'm now old. So please, you can just do the quiz. I just want to pause so that I finish the quiz, then I come back so that I save the minutes. Members, I've answered other questions yet. So please follow me slowly. If we fail, we fail together. Please go to Uglearn and you do the questions there. Even me, I've forgotten some of them. These are senior one. But I think I was among the best. Guys who know me very well, they know I was among the best chemists in London College in Asana. Those of who have been doing with me, they know I was among the best chemists there. But time has gone now, I think over 15 years. Yeah, actually, I think it's now over 15. So I'm just trying to remember some of them. So this is which gas is required for burning to go. Please, which gas? I think that's oxygen. It's the one but carbon dioxide is the bad one, not so? Yeah, that's oxygen. What is a what? What is a compound or what is a mixture? Please remember, what's it called? What is a compound or a mixture? What is a compound? Not a mixture of gases. Okay. 2 elements. Please, members, I'm doing this discussion with my friends here. So you can also remind your friends with your friends. Some of your friends can also give you the correct and the wrong answers. Just take it if you don't know. But good thing, the Uglearn has an AI on the back. It will automatically give you the correct answers and the results. So which of the following laboratory safety rules is correct? Test chemical to identify them. Run in the laboratory. Wear protective equipment when? Which one is that one? Oh, which one? Which of the following laboratory safety rule is correct? Wear protective equipment when what? When necessary. Really? Okay, I've done. Whatever comes, hey, I've got 100%. Hey. Please, I've not cheated now. So my friends who are there, please go to Uglearn. Just take yourself time. You're on senior one, you're on senior three, you're senior four, senior five, senior six. Please, we have raised several questions for you there. Make sure you go to Uglearn, learn with us, shake up the platform. You can always do it out. So this is the collection I was trying to talk about that automatically give you a complete back of what is there. You answer them, you fill them, and like you answer, and gives you completely what's right, and also tells you if you're correct, automatically you're correct. If you're wrong, definitely you're wrong. And please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And you who's watching us from TikTok, please share Uglearn to your friends, to your comrades, to your fellow students. You have whether in primary, whether in secondary, we have you sorted. So the next video I will show you about our part called study groups, how you can create a study group and how you can start use it for learning. Thank you very much for watching this short video. Love you. Thank you.